DreAllDay.com.
Clippers 24 of 27 as a team, 89%.
Curry to the drive and the goaltend. Oh, and Jordan's tipped off. He thought that he had. Curry was 17 in the quarter.
First thing I'm note on this play, if you're a guard and you get a big man in front of you, changing directions will get that big man beat. Big men like to go north and south, and they like to jump vertically. Change direction, you'll be able to beat them. See how flat-footed DeAndre Jordan is. He's not used to moving on the perimeter, but he is athletic. And one thing Steph Curry does that's smart here, look how he releases off his right foot and shoots with his left hand. That's because he can get the ball out of his hands quicker, because he knows there are people who are way more athletic than him out there trying to block his shot. So he gets that ball out of his hands as quickly as possible with the floater. So when you got a big man, change direction and release the ball quickly. I'm going to do more of these in-game breakdowns from NBA games. Let me know what you like, what you want to see different. Work on your game.